A quick comment. Someone asked if I could make a video of Dave's Tag Heuer 1000. Dave gifted the watch to his father some years ago, who wears it every day, so unfortunately it's not possible. In a 2021 video on this 2000 model, I said, "However, the hands have suffered from the damp," and "I'm fussy about hands. Dauphines being the devil's work, they should be avoided at all costs." Here, the Lollipop Second, Pencil Minute, and Mercedes Hour hands play nicely. The only changes I'd make are thicker Minute hand and orange Second hand. As stated many times, real men's watches possess orange second hands. With this in mind, I decided to seek out some new hands, keeping the originals in case I ever decide to refurbish them, which is unlikely. The only replicas I could find were from Watch Parts USA via eBay, which, as the name suggests, would entail Atlantic shipping, and ended up costing me £30 all in. The hands arrived in good time and are near identical to the originals. The loom, however, seems quick to crumble. Calling it loom is generous. The feeble glow fades in seconds. While I don't mind extracting movements from their casing, hand replacement is a job for real men. So I took the watch and parts to my friend Peter. I also asked him to paint the second hand orange. This is not a new request. He painted the second hand on my Pallas too. Attempting to paint around the Lollipop loom would have been near impossible, and removing the loom, painting and then relooming a lot of effort, so we decided to paint over it. The paint used was a Humbrol enamel. Humbrol paint is widely used in model making, and Peter utilised an old pot, which he has now disposed of and unfortunately can't remember the colour code. The problem with fitting shiny new parts to a 30-year-old watch is that they're shiny and new. The contrast between old and new being stark. But the legibility has increased and the sense of life provided by a prominent second hand heightened. However, quartz will never possess the vitality of an automatic sweep. The heart-stopping pause between hand executions resulting in an artificial staccato vitality. Replacing the hands and painting the second hand orange has nudged the watch from occasional wear to regular wear, and wearing it never fails to elicit a smile.